Excavators are advancing a completely new stage with intelligent attachments created to enhance output, accuracy, and flexibility. From tilt rotators and fast couplers to hydraulic cutters and grapples, these advancements convert regular machines into multifunctional giants. Whether digging, lifting, cutting, or grading, smart excavator attachments make difficult tasks quicker, safer, and more productive, reshaping how operators handle any job site. Get prepared to watch excavator work changed like never before. Steel wrist tilt rotator. Steel wrist tilt rotators are modern excavator attachments that convert a standard bucket or tool into a 360-degree rotatable and plus or minus 45-degree tilting unit, providing operators unmatched command and flexibility. With high-strength steel cast components, these tilt rotators are tough yet lightweight, improving dig geometry, fuel economy, and maneuverability in confined spaces. They enable excavators to carry out grading, digging, trenching, material placement, landscaping, and utility work without constantly relocating the machine, boosting productivity. Steel wrist provides models for compact machines up to 33-ton heavy excavators, ensuring adaptability for different projects. Safety is improved through features like front pin locks and lock systems, while the SQ auto connection system enables rapid hydraulic tool changes, often without exiting the cab. By reducing machine movement, tilt rotators conserve fuel, minimize ground damage, and streamline workflows. Overall, steel wrist tilt rotators convert excavators into versatile, efficient, and safer machines, making them an essential tool for precision work, complex digging, and high-performance construction tasks. Rotorray Excavator Bucket. Rotorray's LDR excavator bucket is a revolutionary attachment that blends traditional digging with integrated ground-penetrating radar, enabling operators to identify underground utilities in real time during excavation. This system sends radar waves into the ground, and proprietary algorithms interpret returning signals to recognize pipes, cables, fiber optics, and other conduits, whether metallic or non-metallic. Operators receive immediate alerts through an in-cab display, giving them vision below the surface on every pass. The LDR bucket operates like a normal excavator bucket, so digging performance is never reduced, and it is engineered to endure harsh job site environments. Radrar supplies buckets for machines ranging from compact excavators to heavy-duty units up to 40 metric tons, making them suitable for utility work, civil construction, airports, and solar farms. By combining conventional excavation with radar sensing, radar buckets improve safety, efficiency, and confidence, lowering the risk of utility strikes and simplifying complex digging tasks in any setting. Chemrock EKT 100. The Chemrock EKT 100 is a heavy-duty rotary drum cutter attachment for excavators designed to mill rock, concrete, and hard ground with precision and efficiency. Rated at 100 kilowatt nominal output, it fits excavators in the 18 to 30-ton range, making it ideal for trenching, pipelines, footings, and other civil engineering projects. Its drum diameter of approximately 690 millimeters, with options of 700 or 800 millimeters, and drum length around 1,460 millimeters, allow it to deliver maximum torque of approximately 18,300 Newton-meter and cutting force up to 53 Newton, efficiently handling soft to medium-hard rock and compacted layers. The EKT 100 can be converted into a chain cutter configuration, offering flexibility for varying project needs. Built with a robust gearbox housing, heavy-duty drum bearings, and protected hydraulic hoses, it ensures reliable performance by producing finely milled material with minimal vibration. The EKT 100 increases efficiency, reduces costs, and provides a versatile solution for modern excavation and civil works requiring precision and power. Rotilt R4 Tilt Rotator. The Rotilt R4 Tilt Rotator is an advanced excavator attachment designed for 10 to 16-ton machines, converting standard buckets or tools into highly versatile implements with 360 degrees rotation and plus or minus 40 degrees tilt. Weighing around 380 kilograms and supporting buckets up to 1,600 millimeters wide, it combines compact design with impressive strength, delivering up to 163 Nm of breakout torque and 125 Nm of breakout force for demanding digging, grading, trenching, or utility tasks. Its worm gear design ensures smooth operation, while the oil-filled cast rotor housing provides excellent lubrication and long-lasting durability. Equipped with rotation sensors, the R4 enables precise positioning and compatibility with Rotilt's quick-change coupler, and the secure lock safety system allows fast, Secure tool swaps, often without leaving the cab by transforming a single excavator into a multifunctional machine. The R4 improves efficiency, reduces the need for extra equipment, and enhances precision in confined spaces, making it a powerful choice for construction, landscaping, utilities, and infrastructure projects. Encon Detachable Sweeper. The Encon Detachable Sweeper is a hydraulic rotating brush attachment that converts excavators into versatile sweeping machines. Designed for excavators from 4 to 19 tons, depending on the model, it attaches quickly via Encon's quick hitch system, making installation and removal fast and simple. The sweeper efficiently clears soil, gravel, sand, snow, and other loose materials from roadways, construction sites, foundations, and pedestrian areas. Tasks that would otherwise require manual labor or a separate vehicle. Powered by hydraulics, the motor spins the brush while a hydraulic ram raises, lowers, or adjusts its width for narrow or wide areas. The hosteless quick hitch system allows one-hand attachment and detachment, letting operators switch between digging and sweeping in seconds, enabling precise surface cleaning, cable clearance, and site preparation. Encon Sweeper enhances safety, reduces labor, and boosts overall efficiency. This modular approach extends an excavator's capability far beyond traditional digging, making it a highly practical tool for modern construction and maintenance tasks. Fecon FMX36. The Fecon FMX36 is a compact yet powerful excavator mulching head from Fecon's Bullhog series designed for 5 to 10 ton excavators. With a working width of 36 in and overall width around 44 in, it combines lightweight design with rugged durability. Weighing about 850 pounds, the FMX36 features a split-ring rotor system equipped with 18 cutting tools, either cubit knife or cubit carbide, spinning at approximately 2,400 revolutions per minute. A variable displacement 45cc hydraulic motor automatically adjusts flow and torque to match the excavator's output, ensuring smooth, stall-free operation. This attachment excels at clearing brush, small trees, and undergrowth from roadsides, ravines, riverbanks, and other hard-to-reach areas. Its compact size allows use on small excavators, backhoe, or sidearm booms, offering flexibility for tight job sites. Built with abrasion-resistant steel and robust rotor bearings, the FMX36 delivers consistent, low-maintenance mulching, providing contractors with an efficient, reliable, and versatile solution for vegetation clearing in challenging environments. Ram Tilt Bucket. The Ram Tilt Bucket is a hydraulic excavator attachment that converts a conventional bucket into a versatile, dynamically tilting tool ideal for excavation, grading, ditching, and finishing work. Its standout feature is an internal drivetrain where hydraulic cylinders are fully enclosed, protecting them from dirt, rocks, and frozen soil. A splined pin cam shaft transfers torque from the internal cylinders to the bucket, providing reliable tilt action under heavy loads. The bucket offers a 90-degree tilt range, allowing operators to angle the bucket for slopes, uneven terrain, or precise grading without repositioning the excavator. Design elements like tapered sidewalls enhance material flow, while a dual-radius heel profile reduces ground contact during curling, increasing efficiency and reducing wear. This makes the Ram Tilt Bucket ideal for ditch cleaning, slope shaping, trenching, backfilling, or landscaping, where precision, flexibility, and durability are critical. By combining protected hydraulics, robust tilt action, and smart geometry, it upgrades any excavator into a highly adaptable tool. Kinschoffer TR07 Nox. The Kinschoffer TR07 Nox is a compact tilt rotator designed for excavators in the 4 to 7 ton class. Part of Kinschoffer's Nox series, emphasizing versatility, durability, and low-profile operation. It provides 360 degrees continuous rotation and tilt up to plus or minus 50 degrees, enabling precise bucket or attachment positioning for trenching, grading, utility work, landscaping, and other tasks in confined or restricted spaces. Using a cylinderless elliptic actuator within an integrated cast housing, the TR07 Nox eliminates external tilt cylinders, reducing protrusions, lowering maintenance, and enhancing reliability in demanding conditions. With maximum breakout torque of around 40 Nm, breakout force near 50 N, unit weight of approximately 200 kilograms, and compatibility with buckets up to approximately 12,200 millimeters, it equips compact excavators to operate like multi-purpose machines. This tilt rotator allows operators to work efficiently in tight areas around infrastructure or where frequent angle adjustments are needed. By transforming a small excavator into a flexible and precise tool, the TR07 Nox significantly expands its capabilities and productivity. Epiroc SmartROC D65. The Epiroc SmartROC D65 is a high-performance surface drill rig designed for demanding mining and quarry operations, capable of drilling large blast holes with precision and efficiency. It supports down-the-hole drilling with rock drills and hammers ranging from 4 in to 7 in, producing hole diameters from 110 to 229 millimeters. Automation ready. The rig allows operators to control drilling cycles, rod handling, and feed beam folding from a comfortable cabin using a touchscreen interface to monitor drilling parameters, diagnostics, and real-time measurement while drilling data. Depending on feed beam configuration, the SmartROC D65 can use 5 to 8 meter rods, reaching hole depths up to 56 meters, minimizing downtime and maximizing throughput. Advanced engine and compressor controls optimize fuel use and reduce environmental impact, while fewer hydraulic hoses and pumps simplify maintenance. Optional remote operation modes let operators safely control multiple rigs from a distance. By combining heavy-duty drilling power with automation, versatility, and efficiency, the SmartROC D65 sets a benchmark for modern surface drilling. Encon Grapple Saw MG20. The Encon Grapple Saw MG20 is a heavy-duty hydraulic attachment for 19 to 26-ton excavators, combining a grapple and a saw in one tool. This integration allows operators to grab and cut wood, branches, or small trees safely from the cab, making it ideal for urban sites, roadside maintenance, or confined spaces near power lines. The MG20 features automatic chain tensioning, a proportional lubrication system, and a built-in bar feed cylinder, making saw bar and chain replacement fast and hassle-free, while the supercut function enhances productivity. Its grab width ranges from roughly 179 millimeters to 2,279 millimeters, providing a grab area of approximately 0.52 meters squared and handling loads up to 10,000 kilograms. Installation is streamlined through Encon's Quick Hitch and EC oil system, and the tool integrates seamlessly with tilt rotators or other quick coupler setups. By combining cutting and gripping capabilities in one attachment, the MG20 enables a single excavator to replace multiple tools, improving efficiency, safety, and versatility for forestry, vegetation maintenance, or site clearance tasks. Leopard DI650i. The Sandvik Leopard DI650i is a crawler-mounted diesel-powered down-the-hole drill rig built for high-capacity surface mining and large quarry operations. It combines a 403-kilo engine with a high-performance compressor, delivering up to 28.3 cubic meters per minute at 24 to 30 bars, powering 4 in, 5 in, or 6 in DTH hammers to drill holes 115 to 203 millimeters in diameter, supporting drill rods from 89 to 140 millimeters. It can reach maximum hole depths of 53.6 meters with the carousel drilling option. Its standard HTR6 high-torque rotary head or optional MRH6 medium rotary head adapts to different rock types, while the ergonomic IAB intelligent cabin enhances operator comfort and efficiency. Ground-level service points simplify maintenance and advanced automation. Optional RC reverse circulation sampling and remote fleet management capabilities streamline production, reduce manual intervention, and improve safety. With robust power, versatile drilling options, and modern technology, the Leopard DI650i is ideal for precise, high-throughput surface mining and quarry drilling. Aussie Buckets Vibrating Pile Driver. The Aussie Buckets Vibrating Pile Driver is a high-performance excavator attachment designed to handle driving and extracting piles, sheet piles, I-beams, pipes, and plates efficiently on construction sites. Combining high-frequency vibration, secure clamping, tilting, and 360-degree rotation, it allows precise positioning and installation of piles even in tight or awkward spaces. The side grip version uses reinforced hydraulic clamp arms and check valves to hold piles firmly while vibrations push them into the ground or pull them out during extraction. The top-down variant clamps from above, enabling vertical pile installation or removal without additional lifting equipment. Its tilting and rotating capabilities allow smooth transitions from horizontal pickup to vertical drive positions, reducing manual adjustments and improving operational speed. Constructed from hardened steel and robust hydraulic components, the attachment is built for long-term heavy-duty use in diverse ground conditions, offering contractors significant flexibility, efficiency, and productivity on foundation, retaining wall, or sheet pile projects. Agar ye next 4 headings bisahihan. To reply karin, next 4. Main fear 13 16 headings ka 4th part ready ka gardunga. Work brow D-lock coupler. The work brow D-lock coupler is a versatile quick hitch solution for excavators and backhoes, allowing rapid and secure switching between attachments like buckets, thumbs, rippers, and grapples. Built to OEM specifications for a wide range of machines, from compact excavators to large 35 MT class diggers, it provides unmatched flexibility on diverse job sites. Its standout feature is the dual pin safety system. An automatic front pin lock engages if the rear jaw isn't secured, and both pins remain locked even if engagement force is lost, minimizing the risk of accidental drops. The compact sliding jaw design accepts multi-pin centers and various pin diameters, simplifying compatibility across attachments. Installation requires only 2 hydraulic lines with minimal maintenance, since no greasing is needed. Tilt-enabled variants provide up to 120 degrees of hydraulic tilt control, allowing precise grading, slope work, and attachment positioning without moving the excavator. This combination of safety, simplicity, and flexibility makes the D-lock coupler an essential tool for efficient, productive excavation. Tin Bin TC2. The Tin Bin TC2 is a dry vacuum excavator attachment that transforms a standard excavator into a high-powered suction tool, eliminating the need for manual digging or separate vacuum support. Hydraulically driven with pneumatic suction, it uses a radial ventilator to lift soil, gravel, and debris into an onboard container for on-site dumping or bin transfer. Compact and lightweight, it fits excavators of 16 tons or more. With a suction tube reaching depths up to 3.5 meters, it is perfect for utility potholing, ballast removal, ditch cleaning, environmental cleanup, and excavation around sensitive underground utilities. Unlike wet vacuum systems, the TC2's dry excavation avoids slurry, heavy wastewater, and environmental permits, while providing superior mobility and flexibility in confined or complex sites. Using the excavator's existing hydraulics, it enables precise, efficient, and less disruptive digging with reduced noise and lower operational costs. This attachment is ideal for municipal works, rail maintenance, landscaping, and utility repair projects, offering contractors a smarter, faster, and cleaner excavation solution. KXZ210. The KXZ210 tree shears is a rotating energy wood grapple designed to equip mini excavators, skid steers, wheel loaders, or telehandlers for forestry, clearing, and vegetation management tasks. Featuring full 360-degree rotation, it allows precise positioning when cutting, grasping, and moving trees, branches, or wood debris. Lightweight at around 250 kilograms, it fits machines of 2.5 to 6 tons, making it highly maneuverable for small or confined sites. The grapple opens to approximately 670 millimeters and can cut wood up to 210 millimeters in diameter, depending on hydraulic pressure and material type. Its modular design includes a removable blade, simplifying maintenance and replacement during intensive operations. By combining cutting, lifting, and material handling in one attachment, the KXZ210 eliminates the need for multiple tools or extra manual labor. It is ideal for roadside clearing, small forest thinning, plantation maintenance, and site cleanup. This multifunctional design boosts efficiency, reduces operational time, and enhances the versatility of compact machines in forestry and vegetation management projects.